Okay, let's say you need to refund part of this order, as you don't have the extra topping of anchovies. Your Flipdish ordering platform empowers you to make these decisions in real time and allows you to customize your refund amounts. So in order to process this refund, what I will do is click on Refund in the bottom right corner. I will then have the ability to refund a specific amount or cancel and refund the whole order, as you can see in the pop-up box in the center of the screen. Now, because it's just one topping, I don't want to cancel the order completely, but just refund the customer for the anchovies. I simply type in the amount for the extra topping, and in this instance, I've decided to refund the customer an extra 50 cents for the inconvenience. I will now enter $1.95 and click Refund. This is now processed, as you can see towards the bottom of the page in the red text. Here you can also see the value of the order before the refund and the new value after the refund, which is shown as the total at the bottom of the page. This now shows as $23.08. Your customer will also receive an automated SMS notification detailing how much was being refunded and how long it will take for that refund to appear back in their account. This is important as it sets expectations with the customer and stops them from calling back to your store to ask whether or not you processed the refund. Do remember though, as it's sending an SMS, to be mindful of the time of day you issue refunds. Too early or too late at night, you might end up annoying your customers. You can also choose to refund the entire order if, for instance, the customer has called you to cancel. To do this, simply click Refund again at the bottom of the page. Then tick the cancel box and click Refund. As you can see now, it shows you the total amount refunded in red text, and below that, the new order value is 0. Now let's take a look at what the customer receives by SMS when you issue a refund. On the left side, you can see the confirmation where the order has been refunded in full, and on the right, you can see a confirmation where the order has been partially refunded.